Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you something about solid figures, means solid shapes. So let us learn about solid figures. Some solid figures like a cube and a cuboid have flat surfaces. Like you can see in both the figures cube as well as cuboid is having flat surfaces. Now a flat surface surrounded by line segments is called a face. See here there are 4 line segments and in between this portion is known as face. Like in case of cuboid also, these are 4 line segments and the surface in between or the surface which is surrounded by these line segments is known as face. Now there are so many faces in case of a cube and a cuboid which we can easily count. So 2 faces. Now there are how many faces? Upside, downside, both the sides left and right, back side, front side. So there are so many faces. So we can say wherever the 2 faces meet, like this face and this face, both the faces are meeting at this line. So this line is known as an edge, or we say side. So in mathematical language, in case of solid shapes, it is known as an edge. So this is an edge. 3 or more edges meet at a vertex. If we say 1, 2, 3, 3 edges are meeting here. So this point is known as a vertex. So the same is the case with cuboid as well. Here also this is the edge and this one is the vertex. So there are so many edges, so many vertices and so many faces in case of a cube and a see what is in my hand? This is a dice, and this dice is in which shape? It is a cube shaped dice. This is a cube and this cube has a vertex like this, but there is not only one vertex, there are so many vertices. So the surface like this is the face of the cube and these lines are known as the edges. So you can count from this figure or any of the object which is similar to cube shape, and you can see how many faces, edges and vertices are there. So a cube shaped object or a cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. What is this? This is a box. And what is the shape of this box? It is cuboid in shape. This is a cuboid and a cuboid is similar to a cube. Its properties are similar. The only difference is that it has rectangular faces, whereas in case of a cube has square faces. Rest everything is same. So it has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 now see what is in my hand. This is a pen stand, and this pen stand is in which shape? Its shape is cylindrical. It is like a cylinder. This is a cylinder. It has 2 flat but circular surfaces or faces, 2 curved edges. Edges means sides, because sides are these edges which we say. Fine. And surface is the portion which is surrounded by the edges. So it has 2 flat circular surfaces, 2 curved edges and 1 curved surface, which is this. You must have seen the cylinders in your kitchen as well. So a cylinder has 2 flat circular faces or surfaces, 2 edges and 1 curved surface or face. See what is in my hand? This is a small bell. And what is the shape of this bell? It is like a cone. See how beautiful it is? This is a cone. Now, a cone has 1 curved surface, 1 flat circular surface, 1 vertex and 1 curved edge. This one is the edge and this inner portion is the surface. Now, this one is the curved surface. So a cone has 1 flat circular face or surface, one curved surface or face. Surface or face is the same thing. One curved edge and one. Now see what is in my hand. Would you like to play with me? Okay, so this is a ball. And what is the shape of this ball? It is sphere in shape. This is a sphere, and a ball is the best example to explain a sphere. And it has only one curved surface. So a sphere has one curved surface. So, dear students, I hope you would have understood all about the solid shapes.